Hello everyone, this is Venkat Shosai of BVRIT Narsapur. I am here to explain the branching statements in C programming today. Now, branching statements are very important for any language and are mainly used for controlling the or dividing the path in which the program is taken. Branching statement lets the programmer choose execution path based on the conditions, creating a dynamic flow. Now, if uh, the branching statements are used in many ways in our day-to-day life, like if the given ID is true or not, should the ID be logged in, or can we give him the permission to use the personalized information and etc. Now, branching statement is now further divided into two types: conditional branching statement and unconditional branching statement. Conditional branching statement checks the condition for the given access and uh, controls the flow by evaluating the conditions. Uh, the branching statements which comes under controlled branching statements are if else, else if, ladder, and switch case. Unconditional branching statements redirect toward flow without conditions. Like they don't check any condition and just directly branch the statements. Example, go to, break, and skip or continue. Landing statement lets the programmer choose uh, based on the condition. Now, coming to the types. If the statement executes third only if the given statement is true. It does not consider the case where the given condition is false. Now, let's go to if else statement. This is a two-way branching statement which gives the block of execution for both true and false statements. Switch case statements. It is a multi-way branching statement used for managing multiple uh, choices efficiently. Now, these conditional branching statements include clarity and control by guiding them based on true or false outcome. Now, unconditional branching in loops. There's only one unconditional branching statement, and that is go to loop. Go to loop is not generally used. Go to loop doesn't check any condition and uses only the label name to directly jump into the given path. Now, what exactly are break and continue that I mentioned earlier? Break exits the whole given loop, whereas continue skips the next iteration part and continues the loop. Now, using break and continue uh, enhances the loop control, making repetitive tasks more efficient. Now, what exactly is the use of branching statements? Branching statements control program flow. Uses this instead of voting eligibility checks, menu navigation, and graceful error handling. Proper use of branching statements can improve the clarity and help the user to know what exactly he is doing. Mastering branching statements allows the building of flexibility and interactiveness of the given program. Now, let's see what exactly is the syntax of each and every conditional statement. If statement is a single branch statement, so there's only one statement here. Now, this is the syntax of if statement. The syntax of if else statement: if condition execution block, else condition execution block. This is the syntax of else if ladder. Else if ladder consists of multiple else ifs and hence can be continued even after the first else if. Now, let's move on to switch case. Switch case. This is the syntax of the switch case where case one expression is taken and case one value executable statement and break. We use break as I initially told without as we don't need to check the other options. Hence we use break. This is the syntax of switch case. Now let's go to the go to syntax, which is the only unconditional loop. Go to. Go to uses the label name and directly jumps to the go to label name. Even if this label name go to is always followed by its label name, whereas this label name can be placed anywhere in the program it reads, but only in the same function. Thank you.